Today we're tackling a crucial topic: how to check if your WhatsApp account has been hacked. With increasing online threats, it's important to stay vigilant. So let's dive into the signs and steps you can take to protect your account. First, let's discuss some common signs that might indicate your WhatsApp has been compromised. First, unusual activity, messages you didn't send or strange conversations. If you see devices in your WhatsApp web session that you don't recognize. If you're frequently logged out of your account. Number 4, unrecognized changes to your profile picture or status that you didn't make. One of the easiest way to check for unauthorized access is to review your WhatsApp web sessions. Open WhatsApp. Go to settings, tap on linked devices. Here you'll see all active sessions. If you see a session that you don't recognize, log it out immediately. To enhance your security, enable two-step verification. Go to settings and on account. Here you can find two-step verification. Simply turn on. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. Now keep an eye on your chat history. Look for any conversations that seem out of place or messages that you don't remember sending. If you notice anything suspicious, it's time to take action. If you suspect your account has been hacked, you might consider reinstalling WhatsApp. Before you do this, back up your chats, then uninstall the app, reinstall it and log back in. This can help clear any potential malware. And that's it. By following these steps, you can check if your WhatsApp account has been hacked and take the necessary actions to secure it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.